Take a ride in the 2018 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, keyless entry, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, 4-wheel disc brakes, keyless start, cruise control, aluminum wheels, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, front-wheel drive, passenger airbag, child safety locks. Come see the car for yourself.